Are you ready to discover the beauties of Friuli Venezia Giulia? Today, together with my brothers Dario and Giorgio, I will bring you to Mount Matajur.
We took the path in the middle of the wood, and in 1 hour and a half we will arrive in Mount Matajur. You walk into this path, which is well signed. Actually, is the road that leads to the Pelizzo hut, and look at the view. It is already stunning, and you can see the sea, which is down there on the Natisone Valley. Isn't it beautiful?
Of course, with all this snow, it's impossible not to become kids again and have fun in the snow.
The hut is over here, we are almost there. But after there is another hour to arrive up to the church, so I don't think we manage it today. On the other hand, the view is beautiful on the Alps in Slovenia, and over there is the sea, as I told you before. Evviva! Vonda. We arrive at the observatory and the Pelizzo hut, which is behind this little house. And up there you can see the church of the Redentore, of Jesus. But today we will not manage to arrive there. We have no time, unfortunately.
But I show you another photo when we have been during autumn in the next photo, so you can see the church of Redentore.
The sign says 45 minutes to arrive up to the top of the Matajur, but I think with the snow it will take at least 1 hour. So I think we will stop to the Pelizzo hut, which is closed now, and we will just enjoy the view.
Well, not only the view, we will have our lunch.
So here we do the panino. Bread. I like the one with the cereals. Mortadella. With pistachios. Beautiful smell. And then a piece of Montasio, the typical cheese from this region. Also beautiful. With a view. There are many people skiing. My brother, one of them. Now, apart from the Bora, which is the strongest wind we have coming from northeast, now there is also a little bit of snow with the sun. Now the sun is out, so colors are brighter. You can see it's beautiful, and there is a peace. I love this place. This is a little chapel dedicated to the Virgin Mary. And the snow.
I hope you like this video. Put a thumbs up and follow my channel Torzeando. Ciao!